We move on with our last speech for the day and for the Rex Ideas for Action Conclave 2013 and 14. We have with us Ashok Arora, Advocate Ashok Arora, who I feel is less of an advocate and more of a spiritual guru.
Thank you, Zeri and team. मैं इसका पहले दिन से फ़ैन हो गया. इन्होंने कहा कि मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलना, मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. I wish to share one personal experience with you before I come to the point. 30 years back, when my son was conceived, I started studying about child development, child psychology. I said, let me understand what Ghalib is saying, बस के दुश्वार है हर बात का आसा होना और आदमी का ही मयस्सर नहीं इंसान होना. इंसान कैसे बनाया जाए इसकी स्टडी करनी चाहिए. Which I started this, and my experience says that youth in the world, not only in India, they are all receptive. All receptive. Fault lies with the education system. If 65-year-old Chief Justice of India delivers a bad judgment, you can't blame him. You have to blame the education system in which he was brought up. कहते ना घरों पे नाम लिखे थे, ओहदे लिखे थे, बहुत तलाश की मगर आदमी ना मिला. That is the defect. For all miseries in the world, I frankly share with you, although I flirted with law, I don't say I practice law. Now I say I flirted with law because my passion, Janoon, was somewhere else. All these 3.5 decades when I flirted with law, I observed the main problem is this, that we are not making good human beings. That is why we started this institute, Sufi Leadership School, for training mind and soul. If you ask me, Mr. Arora, stop your speech and tell us in one line what is the main reason for all miseries, whether personal, professional, public, or whatever, I'll say it is lack of training of mind. It is lack of training of mind and soul which results in misery. You would all appreciate, after all, whatever subject we study, I become a journalist or doctor, a lawyer, architect, whatever, ultimately, how do I connect with the world? Tell me, please, how do I connect with the world? Through my mind, through my conscience level, through my soul. I'll give you one example. I start with lawyer's example, in fact. कहते ना बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, you all know that. So I'll start with lawyers. 2 persons have studied law, both are brilliant. One is guiding criminals, other is representing state. So where is the problem? Problem is in training mind and soul. How do we connect with the world only through mind? And the unfortunate part is, pardon my saying this, the education system today is not training this. Just imagine one situation. It is a childish question I wish to ask myself, and you may answer yourself too. Suppose we all have licenses to drive, and we don't have training to drive, what will happen, you tell? Tell me, please. Accidents, the world would stop. There would be total chaos. If we have licenses and we don't have training to drive, it would be utter chaos. And that is what is happening in society today. We are all living society. We are all dealing with people. We are all dealing with situations. We are all dealing with relationships. We are all dealing with our respective professions, but our mind and soul is not trained. That is why we create mess for ourselves and create mess for the world. किस टाइम हम अच्छा काम करते हैं सेम एजुकेशन से, what time we react bad, it all depends. You would be surprised to know that in our country, it may be a shocking statement for you, 99.9% of the citizens are not performing their fundamental duties. Can you trust it, believe it, or should I explain a little more? 99.9% citizens are not performing their fundamental duties. Prerna is here, a brilliant lawyer. She'll tell you what are the fundamental duties that we were talking about. Why? Because mind is not trained for that. Soul is not trained for that. I was very happy when Jerry was openly talking about that Lokpal ka, that boy is befooling the nation for last 3 years. Lokpal, Lokpal, Lokpal. How would Lokpal help? How would it help? When 3 lakh, in Delhi only there are 3 lakh traffic violators, imagine. If somebody violates law, वो कहते हैं ना चौक पे खड़ा होकर जो चोरी करता है, डकैती करता है, at red light, many people are watching, still you are violating law. 3 lakh. Do you expect that gentleman who is violating law, जो चौक पे खड़ा होकर चोरी करता है, कमरे में बंद होकर 5 करोड़ मना कर देगा वो? कैसे मना कर देगा? उसकी फितरत बन गई है. That nature, our fundamental duties involve this. Most important is I'll abide by the Constitution. It is fundamental duty of each citizen. And Constitution says, हर एक घर में दिया भी जले अनाज भी हो. After 67 years, we are lakhs and lakhs miles away from the first line of the Constitution, which says social justice, economic justice, political justice. Where are we? Because Constitution also talks of making your own introspection. Look within. As Quran Sharif says, biggest jihad is to conquer the self. Bhagavad Gita, Holy Bible, Sukhmani Sahib, Buddhism. And the Constitution also talks of winning self, introspection, self-introspection, self-evolvement, which means training mind and soul. Tell me how many citizens work on that? How many schools? Most of the schools. That is why I was so happy to meet you. He says so bluntly, most of the educational institutes in the country are total business houses. They are making money. That is why 65-year-old Chief Justice fails, because the school college failed him. There's no training. There's no training. How do I expect? I've read very little economics, but this fundamental of economics I know. Unless I invest, how do I get return? I'm not investing in training mind and soul. How would people reflect? How would they reflect? This Sumer young boy was so happy. In fact, I'm grateful to you. I was so happy to listen to all of you. I was little shy of speaking. मैंने कहा इन सबके सामने क्या बोलूँगा? ये तो सारे evolved लोग हैं. But all of us together, I think Jerry should take lead in this. If we work in this direction, shedding modesty, I'm telling you, I might have addressed 100,000 students by now throughout the world. I am yet to see a student who is not receptive. They're all receptive. But you have to tell them in some interesting way, in some story, anecdote. You can't tell them, listen, don't tell lies. No, they will not listen. But if you tell them, Sajan re, jhoot mat bolo. No, this is the way. They will all listen. They all they listen. I mean, they eat from your hands. I'll give you one little example on this. When my son was 7-year-old, just 7-year-old, he went for a trip and the principal sent a notice that, look, these are young, small children, you cannot give more than 100 rupees for 3 days trip. For 3 days trip, maximum amount permissible was 100 rupees. I also gave him 100 rupees. And when he lands up at the station, first thing he tells me, Papa, मैंने ना वहाँ पे दान भी किया था. Imagine. I thought that this young boy, 7-year-old, I never told him कि बेटा सभी धर्मों में कुछ इनकम का पार्ट डोनेट करना होता है. You also, I never thought of this. But then when I looked back, why did he do that? When I looked back, I noticed that I realized that ever since 2 साल से आपको पता है बच्चे की याददाश्त बननी शुरू हो जाती है. In 5 years he saw whenever there was something good at home, some anniversary, some birthday, some passing out, anything, the parents, नानी दादी would say, बच्चे पहले जाके मंदिर गुरुद्वारे जाओ, मस्जिद जाओ, थोड़ा पहले गरीब को रोटी खिलाओ. So he did what he saw. They learn by examples. Otherwise they don't learn. In fact, one of the great saints, many times he introduces me, he tells, I अशोक जी को मैं इसलिए लेके आया हूँ कि पहले सुभाष चंद्र बोस ये कहते थे, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. आज स्टूडेंट्स को सोसाइटी ये कहती है, तुम मुझे आँख और कान दो, मैं तुम्हें बर्बादी दूंगी. See, that is the culture. That is why if you don't teach them good, they will learn bad. They will learn bad. It's the fundamental nature of a man. हमें जो क्लास बंक करने के लिए कहता था वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था. जो लाइब्रेरी के लिए कहता था पागल हो गया. No, that is the fundamental. Fundamental we have to see that when we teach them good, they are bound to learn good.
Let me preface my question with a little anecdote.
Yeah.
A kid in London was caught stealing nuts and bolts. So to reform him, they sent him to school. And after school, he started stealing the whole railway track. So there is this whole notion that somehow education system will reform us, transform us, and if you study the biggest thugs, both corporate scamsters and stuff are from prestigious institutes and prestigious management schools. So I'm just wondering how this training that you're talking about can be brought about without necessarily resorting to education, which seem to have failed us.
I think it's very simple. That is why I saluted Jerry and all of you, that all of us are to put our heads together. The educational system, be it minister, be it from, pardon my saying this if there are some people from Director of Education, or parents or teachers, they are not trained. They are not trained. Pardon my saying this, I may look blunt and little crude. Most of the people in this subcontinent are parents by accident.
Yes.
You tell me how many families you know where parents are talking that, look, somebody is coming, let's study how to develop that child up. No. Same is the situation about teachers. I ask teachers. I ask them, you would be shocked to know when I take this teacher session, I ask them, okay, how many teachers are role models in this society today? And they'll come out with 1%, 2%, 1%. 1% is their assessment. It has to be much less than that. So if there are not role model teachers, that we are to do it, dear. And the problem, I tell you, okay, my understanding of society as a student, we are all students. My understanding of society as a student, whether for teacher or parents, is that most of us are busy, involved, stuck with our own dukhas and sukhas and karmas and missions in life. Like Allama Iqbal says, सितारों के आगे जहाँ और भी है, अभी इश्क के इम्तहां और भी हैं, इसी रोज़ो शब में उलझ के ना रह जा कि तेरे ज़माने मकां और भी हैं. That is what is happening with us. I am only stuck with me, mine, I'm surprised I can't name, but I wish to quote those incidents. 55-year-old, a friend of mine whom I thought is very evolved soul, very pure soul, going to spiritual gurus for many, many years, telling me, Ashok, कि ये 2 महीने सारा ये काम बंद कर देते हैं, मेरी बेटे की शादी है, मैंने कहा चलो बेटी की शादी कर लो. सारा काम बंद करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? फिर अब 2 साल, अब क्या, अब बेटी की शादी हो गई है, अब मैंने बहू को सेटल करना है घर में. बहू को घर में सेटल करना है. मैंने कहा वो सबको अनसेटल कर देगी, पता ही नहीं आपको क्या. And she is leaving everything for that. She is leaving everything for that. That is what our problem is. मेरी बेटी का 12th है, मैं talk पे नहीं जाऊंगी. We become Jerry. If there are, I am telling you, if there are 1,000 Jerrys in the country would change in 2 weeks. We need Jerrys, those who speak bluntly and take stand and work for society.
Ask the question.
ये मेरा कसूर नहीं है. वो कहते हैं ना, किसी ने एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर कहा कि मेरी बर्बादी का इल्ज़ाम अब शराब पर है, मैं और करता भी क्या, बात तुम पर आ रही थी. तो मेरी बर्बादी का इल्ज़ाम तो तुम पे ही है.
Ashok sir, good evening.
Yes, please.
You know, in the 60s, the great legendary Fred Astaire had said something so beautiful. He said that the greatest challenge that kids face today is to learn good manners without seeing any.
Absolutely.
ये 1960s में US में था.
Imagine.
आज के डेट में इंडिया में वही हो रहा है.
Absolutely.
That today we expect children to learn good manners without seeing any.
Yes.
Because the parents, and as you so beautifully
Great.
said, that couples become parents by default. शादी हो गए इसलिए बच्चे होने हैं. Last year, Times of India carried out an article because 2013 was when the first teenagers of the millennium came into being. Those who were born in 2000 became teenagers in 2013 last year. Times of India came out with an article about the aspirations of these children, and 89% of these children in the metro said that my role model is my mother or my father. Now, taking this into consideration, sir, what is your take on, how do we need to, bring about these children who are coming up? Because this is a challenge. In the next 6 years, India becomes the youngest country in the world. What is your take on this?
Yeah, my take is very simple. My answer is in your question. Role model. We are to produce role models.
And do you feel it's happening?
Whatever they see, they do.
Yes, absolutely.
That is why I am against these Lokpal chokras, I call them. I mean, see, when I tell you, youth is definitely sensitive. He has heart at right place. But these role models are not giving them mind at right place. That is the problem. That is the problem. We have to get role models. We have to get role models because he'll do whatever they are doing. Whatever they are doing. आप अच्छा करो, करेगा ही करेगा. आपको शायद पता है.
Do you see this change happening soon or?
Absolutely. That is what I'm saying. The number of Jerrys is too less. That is my pain.
Absolutely.
If number of Jerrys, Sumers, Pooja, Amla, Shamla, all these people, Shamla, Ashok, I must say Ashok because Ashok to naam jisme hai. If these people improve, I mean the number increases. That number is too less. Number both come hai.
What about your take on the juvenile reform militaries? Don't you think they should be scrapped? They are basically building. They are the home breeding grounds for future criminals. You see what's happening.
Kiska, sorry?
This juvenile boards, juvenile justice system.
Juvenile justice homes.
No, they are.
They are the breeding grounds of future criminals. What should be done?
I'm sorry, you know, the world over, the practice is this, juvenile has to be treated as juvenile. At the same time, all advanced countries, developed nations like US, Australia, Canada, they all have this law that if the age is of discretion and the crime is serious, like rape and all that, then they should be tried like adults. That is the change we should bring. Otherwise, juveniles are doing good job. Only this much change I feel is required. Okay.
It's just a supplement to this.
Ji, thank
As
you.
you said that without the human being, the person reaches to the top slot, and because he was not a good human being, maybe not a good human being. That isn't it the matter of the selection process which took him to the top slot? That this particular aspect, that whether he's a good human being, was considered or not. Because if you see, in the uprising, every person tried to optimize. Optimizing with the minimal efforts, I should get the maximum. Since perhaps this was never considered in his selection process, he could reach to the top slot and then giving a judgment which is affecting thousands and millions of people. And that is on the last day. What I mean to say that since this particular part of being a good human being was not part of a selection process, was not part of an uprising, and same is applicable to Lokpal. that the
Rajiv ji,
Lokpal
please, you'll have to keep it brief.
That's all. That's just
Yeah,
that
thank you.
Lokpal will be part of the same system.
Absolute. आपने देखा आज फली नारिमन ने resign किया.
Exactly, that's this.
Why? Because he sees that Lokpal is not doing to
Same-
help.
same
ये
system.
कभी कानून से ही सारा change हो जाता तो rape, dacoity, murder कब के बंद हो जाते?
एक अलग system
हाँ.
चाहिए नहीं था.
And you are absolutely right. With your soul, I tell you one thing, so because I basically love to speak on soul. I'm not talking of those souls who are having souls in their soul. You are talking of somebody, वो जो chief justice थे, even at the cost of inviting contempt, I am saying, I am least bothered. वो कहता ना हिम्मत से सच कहो तो बुरा मानते हैं लोग और रो रो के बात कहने की आदत नहीं मुझे. मैं रो के बोलता नहीं हूँ. That chief justice had his soul in his soul. That is why at the age of 65 years, he did not bother about millions of children
Right, exactly. That's my
demotivated because of that judgment. And I tell you, if a person is like you, some very great judge was asked that what should be the selection process of a judge.
Yeah, that's it.
So he was a brilliant man. वो अब लोग है नहीं. वो कहता the only process should be, he should be a good human being.
Right.
If he knows law, that would be addition.
Right.
That is how we can do. That is why we started this training mind and soul. Training mind and soul is more important.
सर एक्चुअली मैं बहुत दिनों से इस सवाल का जवाब पूछना चाह रहा था. मैंने कल जेरी से भी पूछा, उसने बस एक ही जवाब किया कि $1 billion क्वेश्चन बट नो आंसर. शायद आपके पास ये जवाब हो.
जी.
हाउ डू आई inculcate the feeling of nationhood, the feeling of patriotism among fellow Indians?
बहुत मुश्किल और आसान सवाल है. मुश्किल इसलिए कि जो मैंने गालिब का पहले ही कपलेट पढ़ा था कि आदमी का ही मैसर नहीं इंसान होना, और आसान इसलिए कि once we make them realize that listen children, this is your national duty, this is your religious duty, this is fundamental duty to be a good human being and also connected. Now good you asked me this, you are to make them curious, make them think and then ask this question कि ये कैसे होगा. Then give them example. I give them this example. I tell them, no, I can play. I mean, an act here also. That is what I do with them. Basically, I do acting with them. I said, listen, students, Shakespeare says, what is a stage? And we are all actors. So let's erect a stage where they say there are 50 students and one teacher say Bangia Sahab comes to teach. Now imagine that situation. Teacher is one, subject one, question paper one, answer sheet one, climate one, atmosphere one, everything is same, but numbers are different. Why does it happen? You make them think, why does it happen? Definitely he'll think that same class, one student is scoring 90%, other student is scoring 50%. You ask them that why does it happen that somebody with 50% would top the interview board and somebody with 90% fails in the interview. Just make them think and also give them scientifically examples that what is the value of humility, simple living, respecting parents, how arrogance destroys. These examples, once you give them, convince them scientifically. They are not to be only told religion and fundamental duty. You have to scientifically, mechanically convince them that yes, once you are focused, your numbers would improve. Once you are relaxed, you would perceive more. When you are sitting without any ill will or hatred, you will perceive more. When you are sitting with ill will, you will perceive less. If you respect teacher, if you have positive thinking, you will perceive more. If you have negative thinking against the teacher, definitely your mind is not focused. These things, this is the way to, वही कहते हैं ना कि थोड़ा काम मुश्किल तो है, लेकिन once they connect, and I tell you, I'll show you, in fact, YouTube has all my clippings, you can see that.
मेरा जवाब तो अभी भी नहीं मिला, unfortunately.
जवाब यही है, इसका यही जवाब है, उनको खेल में आपको आशीष जी,
we'll kind of time out on this. I think the jawab lies,
उनको खेल में बताना है.
Right, sir, a slight disagreement with the whole concept you mentioned right now, soul and mind training.
Please disagree. This very
what
important.
I believe, sir, we have been into...
Sorry?
So what I believe, we have been lot into mind training. You see all the IIMs, IITs, Harvards, all Ivy League colleges, we have been focused too much on training the mind. And what has happened is, we have forgot to train the heart. And the heart has been left completely. I believe all the guys I see in the stage coming here and speaking out, what they're doing up, the cause hit the heart first. And when the heart got developed, they used the mind to make a difference. I believe there's too much society based on training the mind on what is mine, what is yours.
I think I said mind and soul. I never said only mind.
Yeah, right. But I believe...
What is soul? Soul is heart.
Spirit.
I believe soul has an instrument which is the heart and the mind.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. Soul has that. That is what I'm saying.
So
Heart.
my only point was...
That
my only point was we have been too much thinking society.
No.
The feeling.
Mind and soul means heart. दिल से आएगा. That is what I was saying. उसको lecture दोगे, don't tell lies, तो वो नहीं मानेगा. उसको प्यार से बताना.
Maybe please have the certificate from Mr. Advocate Ashok Arora.